Okay, now what we're going to do is what are called consecutive problems. Now, consecutive problems require some background knowledge, so we're going to go over that first. Um, so we're going to use. Sorry, just playing around with my pen here. All right, so consecutive. All right, what does that mean? That means one after the other. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. The number 1 is our first number, and the next consecutive number is 2. The consecutive number after 2 is 3, right? I'm adding 1, right? So when we have a problem like this, where it says the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 39, we're going to start off with our first number is 1, and we're going to call that number x. So we always start with the smallest number as x because it's just easier, right? Because watch what we do next. How do we represent 2 in relation to 1? Well, we just added 1 to get to 2. So likewise, for x, we're just going to add 1 to get to our next consecutive number. How much do you think we're going to add to x to get to our third number? Well, if I said, okay, I'm starting at 2, to get to 3, I just add 1, right? Now, if I simplify this, I have x plus 2. So when we're talking about 3 consecutive numbers, we're saying, and we don't know what they are, we're going to say x is our first number, x plus 1 is our second number, and x plus 2 is our third number. Okay? So if we go back to this problem, it says the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 39. What is the largest number? So first we're going to have to set up our equation. So we have the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. So we start with x, then we go to x plus 1, right? That's the next one. And then we go to x plus 2. And we know that's going to equal 39. Okay? So if we combine like terms, and we see that we have 3 x's, so we have 3x, and we have 1 and 2, so we have 3 altogether, and that's equal to 39. All right? We subtract 3 on both sides, and we get 36. And then we have 3x equals 36. We divide everything by 3. And we get x equals 1, 2. So 12. X equals 12. Now, that's not our answer, right? Our answer is what is the largest one, but we'll get to it. And so our largest one, if x equals, I'm going to change my pen for this. If x equals 12, right, the next one will be 13, and then the last one will be 14. So the answer is our largest number for this problem is 14, right? This is our answer right here, 14. But we're not done yet, right? We have to check. We have to make sure this works out. If this was too fast for you, rewind the video, write down all the notes, rewind the video, watch it twice, just to make sure you understand. We're going to go see another problem like consecutive numbers later, but just make sure to use the technology in your advantage. Pause, rewind, make sure you really understand. If you still don't get it, I'll work with you one-on-one, or I can make another video, but you have to make sure that you try to understand from the video too. Okay, so let's do this. 12 plus 13 plus 14. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9, right? 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so 39. So this checks out. So 14 is our correct answer. What is the largest number?